Cause if you want a guy that knows what you need, well,